Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. So today we have issue 100 of Eaglemoss's Build the Delorean. Now obviously with the recent highlight of Eaglemoss potentially going to administration, as I said in the previous video, I am going to continue this and it will be finished one way or the other, whether that's through Eaglemoss parts or parts I make myself. At the minute I've got enough parts to complete the whole front end of this. This issue we are concentrating on some wiring, which would be the wires along the side here, and I've got enough issues to be carrying on with doing the other side too. So by the time I've done the issues that I have, the only parts missing will be all the nuclear fusion reactor on the back here and the side flux bands. And I've already started producing a little paper template for the moment to help me with modelling a suitable replacement for that. So let's get on and build. So here we go, 100. Should be a nice quick issue. We haven't got a lot of things to do here. We're just starting to add some additional detailing, as you can see here, to the side of the car. Just like that. So parts we've got in this issue, we've got this multicoloured wire, we have this rigid plastic wire, we have this silver connector, we have some black wire, and we have a couple of IP screws. Okay, so I've just switched to the side camera. So the first thing we're going to be doing is getting this little connector and this pipe. This pipe has a little nipple on it, and that's going to be going straight into this connector here. Just going to push in, just like that. And then this is going to go on top of this little flux box here into the, you've got 3 holes on this, and there's a pin on this one, and it's going to go into this middle hole of the 3, just like that. We're going to secure that in place with an IP screw. Just like that. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take all these little pins into this cable, and we're going to push them into the holes that are in the side of the wheel arch here. So that's looking just like that. Next we're going to take our multicoloured wire, and the plug that's in there is going to go into the other hole from this block. I'm just going to push that one in. I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to help try and push that in. Okay, so that's now pushed in all the way. What it wants us to do is, using this black wire, it just wants us to cable tie the cable along this black one here. So I'm just going to put that under there. Now I know Mike Lane has some proper little cable ties, but for now I'm going to use this. I'm just going to twist it just like that, and then I'm just going to cut off the excess. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'll just fold that underneath, so you won't be able to see the join too much and the twist, just like that. Now we need to do that just going along this wheel arch, just in a few places, just securing it to that black cable there. Okay, so that's now looking like that with all the cables now tied together, and as you can see, I've tucked all the ties in behind. It's worth noting that I still had that much cable left. I did try a couple of times on some of them. It looks like we get that cable, that wire, in every issue that we're doing something like this. So if you use all of that, that's fine. But as I said, there is the alternative cables from Mike Lane. I haven't used any of those on here, but I've seen several people have used them. I went with the World of Wayne technique on the inside of the car, and I've used fishing line, mainly because I had that just hanging around, and that's worked absolutely fine for the inside. But as they've supplied us the black wire for this one, I've used that for this one, and it works absolutely fine. What I've done, well, after I twisted them and made sure they're quite tight, I've actually pinched them together as well, just to try and keep them in that position. So this multicolored cable I've got running underneath the black cable. But that is all there is to do in that issue. So nice and quick issue. I believe the next issue we are continuing this on, and we're going to be building up the cables for the underside of the sill and joining it to the rear here. Well, that was a quick issue, just those few wires to do. I do hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of what goes on this channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell. Hopefully I'll be bringing you more of the DeLorean. Certainly the issues that I have, I will definitely bring you. And any modifications or parts that I can create, I will also put on this channel. It's a little bit of a bitter pill just doing this one because I don't know what we're doing with Eaglemoss. But for me personally, I'm going to make sure that this one is finished one way or the other, with or without Eaglemoss's help. I hope to see you again on the channel. For now, I'll see you around.